This is Inji. I'm a professional tour guide in Cappadocia.
Any top 3 destinations a first-time visitor should not miss in Turkey?
Istanbul, Cappadocia, and Ephesus.
3 must-try local cuisines in Turkey?
Okay, definitely baklava, Turkish kebab, and manti, which is Turkish ravioli.
The ideal time to travel to Turkey, according to you?
I think spring and autumn are the best time to travel in Turkey.
When to avoid travelling to Turkey, season-wise?
I will say July and August, definitely too hot to travel.
Luxurious experiences in Turkey, worth splurging on?
Okay, one of them is a hot air balloon ride in Cappadocia, and then heli skiing in Rize, and also, why not, purchasing a hand-woven Turkish carpet.
Any luxury accommodation recommendations for Turkey?
Okay, in Cappadocia, Museum Hotel, and in Istanbul, Çırağan Palace, and also in Rize, Bungalow Tatil Köyü.
Budget-friendly experiences travellers should not miss when travelling to Turkey.
Okay, budget-friendly, definitely, I will say, watching a sunset in Red Valley in Cappadocia.
One place in Turkey you cannot get enough of?
Cappadocia.
One experience in Turkey that you want all travellers to have?
Turkish bath will be a very nice experience.
Any safety tips for solo travellers to Turkey?
Okay, stay aware in the crowded places, use always licensed agencies and guides and taxis, and of course trust your instincts.
A word every tourist in Turkey should know.
Teşekkürler, which means thank you, and I will say also indirim, which means discount.
Any wise words you want to pass down to fellow travellers?
Okay, travel slowly and stay curious, and of course say yes always to the local food.